What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Dad Talks. Today we are going to be taking a look at the R15 color screen fitness tracker, heart monitor, blood pressure monitor, smartwatch. Now, this smartwatch comes in a variety of colors and band materials. Actually, sorry, just colors. And this is one of the variations. This is the all black variation. And this smartwatch goes for anywhere between $30 to $40 depending on the website and seller that you choose to get it from. I'm going to have my eBay affiliate link in the video description below, so if you guys do want to purchase this watch after this video, you guys can use my affiliate link and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. And if you guys have not yet already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, as I'll be coming out with new weekly videos on the latest gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches, so don't miss out on that. So, for time's sake, I have really put on this, this watch, which comes in a very cool silicone strap. And this is one of those straps where it just comes with a magnet, so it's actually a lot easier to put on than, the ones that actually comes in a lock. So that's cool. And this watch is also gesture control, so what that means is when you wave your wrist, the watch will actually automatically comes on. This one does not seem like it's too sensitive, so that's a drawback here, but it was working earlier. There you go. So it looks like you actually have to kind of swing this a little harder for it to come on and sense your motion. There you go. So, this is the main watch face here. Let's see if there's any watch faces that this watch comes with. You will want to long press this button right here. But it does not look like it comes on with any other additional watch faces. This watch is not a full touchscreen, so what that means is a semi-touchscreen. You would only be able to control the functions through this little button right here and going forward. So this watch comes with a pedometer, which is your distance travel, calories burned, steps, very basic, sleep counter, sleep monitor, your heart rate monitor, which we can actually check right now by long pressing it. Let's go back there. Alright, let's take a few seconds here and see how consistent this is going to be within our expectations. I would expect myself to be in the 70s at the highest. So this is a little lower than what I expected. For someone sitting down and still kind of talking a little bit, I would expect myself to be in the 70s. So, but whenever you get a reading from one of these watches, you do want to cross-reference it with something that you already know or rely on before trusting this reading any further. You're going to have your multi-sport mode. You're going to have your message notifications. You're going to have your blood pressure monitor, which is a plus because a lot of these fitness trackers don't actually come with one. So for something in the $30s to $40 range, it's really nice to have one. And let's see how consistent this is with our expectations. I'm a healthy individual in my 30s without high blood pressure. So I would expect the high number to be under 120 and the lower number to be under 80. So let's check. It's going to take a few more seconds to load. So it's a little within our expectations, even though the higher number is about 120, it's a little over 120. The lower number is within my expectation, but again, whenever you get readings from these fitness trackers, you do want to cross-reference it with something that you already rely on before trusting it any further. It should be a blood oxygen level, which I am not really sure you know what it really means anyways, so we're not going to go through with that. Also has a remote shutter camera, and that's pretty much it with the functions of this watch. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with the interface of this watch. You know, it's very simple. It doesn't come with too many options, such as the home watch faces does not come with, you know, more additional watch faces. But overall, I'm pretty pleased because it's really easy to just go through this watch. I have not even gone through the instruction manual, but I am able to actually just go through this watch and use a lot of its essential functions. So for something about $30, this is a great watch to have. You know, if the readings that we were looking at earlier were more in line with my expectations, that would have been a plus, but they were not too off. So this concludes my short video of this watch. I think it's pretty worth it for about $30 to $40. And it's a very nice looking watch. And it's something that I will wear outside of even, you know, exercising or working out. So, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.